Hey, real quick, we're going to go over the URL scrape feature. This is an awesome feature for social teams. As a content strategist myself, being on a social team, we would always send back and forth viral videos that we want to replicate. So this feature is awesome for that. Also, UGC creators, this one's going to be huge for you. As an example, let's check out Ruby's TikTok. So this is a UGC creator. This account is specifically for Jenny AI, which is like a study app. This account by Ruby has a bunch of videos where it's a call to action to download Jenny. Now, we're going to take the top viral videos, the ones that are the most engaging from here, and put them into the Analyze Videos feature. So I already picked out a couple of them, 5 to be exact, and we're going to start the search from here. We're going to create a new folder. We'll call it Jenny AI UGC. So the scrape finished, and here you're going to have your batches of videos. You can hover over the video, it'll play the video. You can also click into the video, and you can see more breakdowns of the video itself. So the hook, the summary, why it performed, attributes to copy, hooks to test. And this analysis is just for this specific video. But I want to take the batch that I put in, so we're going to create a content plan. You can also, if you changed your mind, you can just select specific videos, but I picked these out, so I'm going to create a content plan. Now, you can also make a custom prompt. I want to replicate this for my own UGC campaign, so I'm going to say something along the lines of, I want to make a study app. Now that the scrape is done, we can take a deeper look into the content plan Snowball made. Here you're going to have top hooks, gaps to test, actionable blueprints, and these are going to go deeper into what your goals are for this UGC campaign. Let's say it's engagement rate, reach, you name it, comment rate. With these plans, you can also watch an example of what video it is referring to. You can also check out an entire outline that has the hook, opening shot, you name it, call to action, and much more. And that's why URL search is one of the coolest features on Snowball. It'll get you replicating viral videos that you've already shared with your team in just a couple of minutes. Thanks.